Ka suka jala ka pengkrak syat ban penung kata masa ding Japan ni cherry blossom ha ka khatsau ba santrik nai weng ha JN Stadium Polo Shillong ha ka ni kata masa anwan gin kenhun nong tem nong ruai ba pawnam ka pathai kentup ka kenhun descript Jason Dirilu bat kanora Fatihi ha ka khatsau tarik bat ka kenhun aqua bat tiaka ha ka khasan tarik triang ba ka jala konat kisang mal penbenam ta kasngi ka live tarik usa yopsan bakan donru ka khubos ngulam yang nong ruai ka asam bal khat no dangsian usubin ka nawla ginong tem ginong ruai na bali kin donru na gani gari bat na gani jala kum ka meba ophilia dapes x adl bat kiwe kin donru kijing pen I bat kiya kop miss bat Mr. Cherry Blossom ka arm wrestling bat kiwe kijing penbang bat kijing penbang ya ki pat ba kat kum kijing om trang ba kumbasan phajar ngot ai ki bawan kai na bargain wan ban saki ha ni tamasa hol kijing dai bagi examine ki bakta ya ki khna u kondat ong ba kasoka kan pasyang ban penduna ya kijing penwit kat bala hol kani ki benta ka jingmut jong kani ka tamasa klong ban kring ya ginangwan ka sikani jela dai tangnam ta ka kam tamasa la ban rap tri rang ba.
I am delighted to announce the comprehensive lineup for the Cherry Blossom Festival 2025. This year's festival promises to be a grand celebration of music, art and culture, showcasing the rich diversity of our state. The lineup features an array of talented artists, including The Script, Jason Derulo, and Nora Fatehi on day one. On day two, we have the iconic band Aqua and the rap pop sensation Tiger. Our festival will be closed by the world-renowned DJ and producer Diplo. I am also proud to announce that we have a special tribute to the legendary artist Zubin Garg, performed by musicians close to him. We also have talented local artists like Meba Ophelia, Dapest and ADL, as well as national and international performers like Girish, The Chronicles, and Arius. The festival will include a range of activities such as the traditional Mr. and Miss Cherry Blossom competition, cosplay, cherry blossom arm wrestling, and many other activities. Let us come together to make the Cherry Blossom Festival 2025 a memorable experience for all. Thank you. We are hoping that we should be able to cross 50,000 tourist in numbers, because even last year we were around close to that, but we would like to go much more. So I'm talking about outside tourists who stay the night. So there are different categories. Of course, people coming in, traveling, going up and down, we will cross lakhs. So therefore that's different, but I'm talking about people who come and stay and spend a few days here, book rooms. So that kind of tourists, we expect that we should be able to cross 50,000. We are, because cherry blossom, again, the issue is that we have to stick to the certain dates of the cherry blossom as such. So therefore we will definitely ensure that wherever such issues are there, we will try to minimize the impact on the students, those who are giving exams.